Today we're going to talk about an under-the-radar region in the south of France called Corbieres. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we are talking about the region within the Languedoc-Roussillon called Corbieres. Southern France, and you know, these in this particular region, they do a lot of work with the Grenache Syrah blend. So, you know, over the past month or so, we've done a few videos featuring different regions in France that do work with those grapes. And this is another great example and something that's really, really priced well for what you get. So, I mean, Grenache is going to be the dominant grape. I'm not sure of the breakdown of this particular wine, but the wines from Corbieres, they're going to be a lot lighter and fruitier than what we've seen in the past few videos from stuff in the Southern Rhone, like we saw in Gigondas and Chateau. But you know, if you like some of those, you know, really good appellations in the Rhone Valley, right? Chateau, Grenache, like this is a poor man's option for those. So let's give this one a taste, right? So this is the 2019 Viala from Corbieres. Let's get a little close up there. And you know, I opened this yesterday. I had a little bit of a taste. And you know what was amazing and still is there is I get this incredibly powerful menthol minty note on the nose. Really was not expecting it, because with Grenache you're expecting more of the strawberries and cherries and like a happy red fruit. Now, not to say that, you know, wines with Grenache can't have a menthol note, but it's pretty rare, at least in my experience. So this definitely, I mean, it's a really pretty wine. You know, nice magenta, lots of fruit coming through. Your typical strawberries and spice. Maybe that spice is that mint note, which is just crazy. All right, let's, I do have the spit cup out. The popcorn cup is back. Not that I think I need it for this particular wine, but, you know, got to monitor the consumption. So, I guess, so this is a very fruity wine, right? So the strawberries I was talking about turned into like a strawberry cherry combo, a little bit of a taffy note in there. Pretty neat. The tinge of mint, there's a little minty spiciness, but it's not like really present on the palate. So it makes it very easy to drink. 14.3% alcohol. It doesn't feel like that. So I think you got to be careful, right? Because this will feel like, you know, there's not much of an alcohol content in the wine. You have 3 glasses of this, and then all of a sudden, you know, you're on the floor. So keep that in mind. But, you know, you can just swirl this around all day. It's just really pretty to look at, pretty to smell. It's a really nice wine. I think for $19, you know, the wines from Corbieres are going to be a really good red choice, especially if you like, you know, those Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre blends. If you're a big fan of the GSM band, then hit up some Corbieres, and again, thank me later. That's about it. That's all I got. We're going to stick in France for the time being. Next few videos, getting into some of you know, my goals for 2021. So a little hint there as to what's coming up. And you know, I appreciate all the love we've been getting lately. You know, do all the usual YouTube stuff. Hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell. You know, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. And hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody is staying safe. And we're hopefully almost out of this, and we can actually share some wine in person soon. Till next time, cheers.